Pegasus Premium Mushroom emerges as a modern evolution of the brand's classic Pegasus line, showcasing Nike's ability to merge tradition with innovation. Retailing at $220 as part of the Fall or Winter 2025 collection, the sneaker will launch via Nike.com and select retailers. It maintains the earthy roots of the Pegasus while introducing carefully measured updates. These include a shortened tongue, the removal of the rear branding tag, and a sleeker underfoot chamber design without the traditional Air Zoom branding. A mixed material upper in beige dominates the silhouette, complemented by metallic silver highlights on the swoosh and molded Air Zoom unit. The understated design tweaks breathe freshness into the sneaker while preserving its recognizable identity. Subtle yet intentional, the Pegasus Premium Mushroom demonstrates Nike's commitment to refinement, ensuring the line feels both reassuringly familiar and refreshingly progressive.